was a more common from no tune for TV Plus. I was a secret no and your PAV. Winning the entire a year with your penny coffee that the lumber was your penny. Nanny, Obaa Papa said, dear, was said that on Tiasia. I just walk on at a more Broni Presla. I'm not made in Kunimno. I was here. Menoka says, say, or do you know about one thing? And Tiwaa Vim Powerhouse or the Sebi or the Nana with the Asem. And I didn't come. Was a Tamanu or Ghana no Kumase Keles Nina na Wanuomo and Nanti into ono a bus information be pass she took Ruma or not Obaa Tiwaa a Yevin Powerhouse when be bia and ene wakansem the entire Abusua Panyin Kofi Wusu na all four swas or beji a yodo Broni Preslano Abusua and no wakamun semu nyina bobo audio bia what I say and chair na ayo Obaa Tiwaa ya be expose aye daddy lumba wu no nsensem bia ne nurse ni bi eba bonte be kasa ya Abusua be breaking ni nyina ne fofla sa ba be bum the entire enam so ama Abusua Panyin pese waje wodo Broni no Abusua waba aba be chiri mu se wanya sa de na odo Broni ebetima kwa dem more than be 10 years ya Abusua enkomo ni breaking ni de bebre no wode aba pese o kam kwaje nchiri mu ni be sisi he
Abusua fo me chiachia ho media ni Obaa Tiwaa and pese ka me play gentle kakra I can be play like a lady. Oh, sexy lady bisano. Oh, but ladies emfa. Now what is it? Nice girl timber na say them fa. Fu box na be tell no talk but yes. Ladies emfa. Emfa. I am betray pa. Men try. Oh. En fact, ya fa moment. Pin kola brem. Na me dress se bema. Ye me bibia se bema. It's like a tom girl. Obi a mitimitra bicycle race so. Na ma sumpro to hwewiem. Be di tia safo. Oh, and ma sia agunaga. Na ma bua fasoroa na ebitisi cycle so. Oh, na ma bu akwafa crop from to Tafo 3 months. Me chiko ka ho. Na ma se twiaba. Me ma nie man kwa. Ma ati Obaa da. Chale. Am fa me sa wai. Sa na mte. Dan pese be yese. Italian mafia. Italian mama. Ya na pese be yellow say. Na ka the way you know. What to wigi be no atata so. Italian mafia onim ne ho. Na na kura na betimisha mensa. Sa men kola bremu pa young age no. Sa mesha hill. Betimisha hill. Mitimisha here na I was at the age of say 35 to 40 years. Sa brand na started some mesha hilo. Na mitimisha bi mitimina me we rapa. Atwede na maba radicals. Titi obi kire. Tiya mfa me sa. Me so sare onyame bo me. Queen of all men enye kumase akatafo de match of way wo mu nyina ye emenafofo me efia na metimu asafo ebebo 12 1 na abontepo nda ho kakraka kronfo nwura ho na wo be piem so a meti waso afiri ho na menye Kumasi kilesi ni nyinara emen mana ebo na me maame kwa iye Tiwaa utibisa maame no mete oya da ka be wo se last killer yi wa bonus de moto so na ma sum prime to seti to na be de ka je unko si be e wo fi anasa de me ko e me twema men twema ya je life no kakra azade de breaking news taba e dia mo fa me sa tie me ha adwen fi nkolabrem bam medie no nyansa da ho media adwen bolobo adwen tentele panam te aton na be de yaniema anapa wi anwumre em se enne the great se wuja mo kakra no do se wan koda de a enne meda ejawo because anwumre jene me bompa ye na mi tonko mi break wi na me ni edin ko kakra fu meda mani kum okay ABB empenfo mo kai audio bi na bebe boy na nurse ni bi kasa no wan kai sa long 30 minutes audio no
yeah me kai
and me say repeat
okay
na me ka asema sana be de sa audio na to aso
ko
adia e was you concentrating as team illegal wives ya buta ya esi ya nisuo baako se we will see to it say maami akusua ebenya fair justice maami Ernestina obetimi ejan de naso na wetimi aye di nua be ma ayiye
pepe
de toso miensa edie ne kunda de lumba Ted ene ye bedin komo en komo no enye new bebelebe enye new se fia Schwarzenegger di kaba be expose odo Broni se daddy lumba wo fie wa
en kre
me fun aya no kre aya me dese ofri odo Broni camp no aba be expose shocking discovery macho report na the Bible ten ebe ka kire yen Ghana for say na dia enwododo no no mde ko Sunshine Hospital wa
sa
if you want to proceed you transfer call bank
yeah bank hospital
and went me am fie bi Abusua for the truth of the matter Abusua pani ehu a opesa by hook or crook or save or prega ass was the one here or prega beko prison I would eat a wood na I didn't know Obaa to a casa one of my very important call na any paro na oni emidin common o se ne bayare na ye che to Sunshine Hospital na de na arrive here na the ebano e recover ya say so tra no kakra no and now on it nurse bi me money ni yakuyi di
and correct
no say the hospital there agidi o that the lumba enti budini na mabonten afeda mo beti bokoku na neze enya sankitu ne ba ha say ya o I just say I have the conversation recorded but beat me more because on my permission say me
permission
meet me more ya mi animuni I wish I can make audio no but I mean at the right time and the video ya me case no it's been an investigation to cut to say ya na CID for no apek kedo meeting ya
sir
na almost so dia ye o madwuma iti mesrem mama kasa every nas nina no a o de ne baaye no ena lady na no na ma say eni di nam e baby ase na yire no e opregaro no e ka se yemfa hui di bimra die ba 5 for 3 mun e friend say wheelchair
yeah
and na omo de koye I just say and na body ti no tika ni mi te wona omo yi no na tra ko yanim omo na tra ko yanim omo drove ni to hospital one ma omo check in bibia and na doctor e be hwe no doctor no so no me money because idea is an investigation there na why now we ma find truth no me ma omo clear keke nti doctor by obehwe no wanka yare potia na ha no ba omo suggest say omo ebetwa no MRI scan or say there. I can know.
Yeah, MRI scan. Yeah.
Thank you. And the I can also some machine mu party one shit. As reported, it's been confirmed say or machines also Sunshine Hospital.
Okay.
And now almost injection. Obey okay. And now man shot. Injection ni ko mu no. Still ano. O man ti bi anya no. O man ti mi afa na machine. And now discharging. E man koy. To koy no. The next day, almost say DLU. Obaa hospital with police check and about coroner
bank hospital
report.
Oh, okay.
Coroner report.
Report, yeah. Coroner's report, yeah.
Now, Panyin on the man no. According to nurse no so was a commander broker wo fia ubekuno enti oka kire me say senya ade ti baaye no girl no it could be so o man adro fie enti
no mo buta ne de oba
o bisa wan
won busa so wa man adro fie senya wo si ka say
baby o mu discharge no on the o ma to almost everything. Okay. And now what do I do fie? Enti ebesi bia se wasema opposite injection of the maye no se ukoma no eduro ka ho a ebeti bia overdose ipakwendu
ana me pa kire se o mo born injection wie no wo mo ka kire ni se hwe no ama na aduro bia anka ho
eno no wanka
okay
but me you sure so on beka
oh yeah on beka kire
I'm 100% sure say on beka kire
that's it
on bi ko fie no say any a doctor no oni obi ba pe report the better abonten no tis one who say bank hospital the deeper the reflecting
and correct
yeah more sunshine hospital
David
yeah more sunshine idina a clicking of what you say any investigation could be making me feel it's on my papa drove fee and oh fee it's the Obama name
that
not just say all you remember boy no junior doctor say yeah the dear body the arrival
Obaa ye
yeah the that lumbar body and the arrival bank hospital
no correct
in his presence he saw the body
no je
asana doctor Panyin
and suma ye ho aduma
and Dr. Panyin no he came there purposely
personally the off day yeah
because na an off day
yeah
and what the ebegina so ye autopsy
pay bad
that means they are hiding something media men can say or pregnant na kunu men can say why any pipi it is a human error na
ajagwaja
e ho no mo na memeti ase fa
it's so pepe
human error na odifo kwabresiama ebe ka ye say a human error no ndo so hospital no e wode again ne ka na oka e ka che na oka ze so hospital udi ze odi asem ne ko share hospital no
eno ntino si ebe ma ye sie na wie ansa na wabeka ho asemi because the CSC when the senior was asemi ya bai ta jagreja nso te ni sei bi e was ha kwan so dia na onim so beboja again no wodi sinsen mu
masi ekosie ni wie na se wobeka where is the body ebe eze unu here say right now na yensie no Ghana for number ni obi anfa adwuma we menko mitimi nye
na Obaa
wodo da lumba meba lumba ni wodo no we need to find out the truth what really killed that lumba human error no say no kra somebody has to go in for it Abusua bia na audio no onteda
Obaa ma memrem kakra na ste etisa bruises no so esida ne ba no ho
enunti na was a investigation
Asemaba debi
enti onua ba ne se onti ni nua ne wu na se Because report better one thing different. There no as well with two different charges.
Obi abegina bonten so ye mie no.
Obi so abegina bonten say ye mie I have 4. Which is which? We are. I
mean, the will be a year. The law in the big deal will be
anyway.
Oh, my pretty baby girl.
Oh no.
Call the boy. Abus, call the boy.
Abusua.
I don't want you to be involved. Okay. The last time I want to make us.
Maybe all you don't have to watch them. Nah. And penny for 1 + 1 is 2 and 3.
You
can stop saying that because the moment others are not provoked, of course.
Any we are. What got the paper? I wrong. Mommy, like a story that can catch me. I show you because we are story and then Timika should be next feeling because he's eating me up after the beer on now, my soul sister of Ghana. I look at my hospital. Hospital bay. Hospital no quiet. That hospital. Autopsy no. Now somehow, there's one doctor because guy need junior doctor in Tino. So we a junior doctor and I nurse who can acquire who be a now person be follow on watch the show near and it's obisi sa injection enkunipa unless otherwise. Okay. Matia say what do you know?
Maybe they mean so when it is your source. And it's so until doctor no hospital now because no doctor no off. No, but
what happened to my one Baba Joe?
Moon and a one ye body buy. People didn't buy and unless I saw the nan cook theater autopsy. Okay, oh, yeah, no, that's the lumber. I don't see a person be able to. I said, was young about my name, and people are not sure be as a daddy lumber.
Overdose.
I know almost every year. I also got one Casabat Sunday. And you can who did that? I said, the body, no bruises. There's a lot of bruises on the body. Then I'm also on the autopsy on to me, no year now. Oh, we not driver, doctor, no coffee, and no man left. No man left, no far, baby. No far, baby, no cushy, maybe now. Oh, ma, doctor, no envelope, senior doctor, no envelope. No more senior doctor, no envelope, don't coil. Now, mine able to car, and no tea, and on a we become $100. To also put the whole one crazy can shade the two. Now, so many can say, who will see woman? But I uncle until say, or who say, so I say that the Lumba hospital, one woman, I never had a year to see the water panel. Case it wasn't like that. It seems like, say, that the Lumba body didn't come into the hospital was pre-arranged because how said doctor not all off about what that day.
That means few and I arrange here with the doctor and we share body no ewo hospital hono emi say move follow the me penifo move follow the I don't want that.
Ayo me wa.
Yeah, follow pa.
Ye gumu pa.
Pese me disturb untina ma me to me.
Na Obaa sana my pa sana Sunshine hospital no. E ho ne ye diagnosis center. Nti e ho ne ye na ho. Wo ko ekotwa scan MRI no ne na sefo. Aha. Nti ye admit patient and na ho.
Se wo ko fie no se na ba le na ka se o pains Obaa ye no.
Yeah.
Se so ko fie na pains ne kodoso. And now o ma no overdose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's an investigation.
Yeah.
Now insider from Sunshine. Entisa ayina akwa be friend say Ebenezer no. Di call hospital one no what the doctor dey try for you enya bank hospital.
Ska onse Sunshine ho ne de ye ngini pam to ho e won kotwa scan ma sefo
what no more
nti wo hwa e be ye bank hospital ho
okay and a picture because and now wo ma be dane ase na be ka kire yen yes say bank hospital one no di e call no ne doctors to or poa
Background of the picture no kra betimi a kire baby corona.
no is a Sunshine ho no e na picture twa e call so
because bank what did ye na finish
no is wawu ya mutu
na wawu minim so ko do fie no say a overdose I don't know so ko do fie no say to kwesi ya me abo no because according to bank junior doctor no bruises would deal a body as you say were involve himself in a fight.
Okay.
I was there or did you kakra it just purple I almost say and your natural death.
Obaa me
say I didn't know prevent by almost only abaning to me kosha body no only to me kosha body no ne wofa do free America buy no on timi kosha body no apart from Oprega Abusua pani kula won shedan ko ho and Oprega nua omne wo access e de ko funu
besin ne ya ken
say die enu omunsam but Abusua pani no ye yin ko funu fi so manaka Abusua pani no oye signatory or ka wo ma o sign no na autopsy na bese akoye no oye na adu say obe frustrate autopsy no o ma ne maso it says the autopsy now we will find out the truth yebe hu no kure wom yebe hu de atuam
Bobby be kawa ni phone to me
yebe hu de akoye ene de bai obviously Abusua pani never liked that lumba or your number one enemy or my yaka getting to 21 years and this our time for what the fan way
no we see
so what you say 22 years Abusua pani he doesn't care and na mabwa ge na no to nchen no ebene ne be ka yetamabom na Yakusio. Hello. Hello.
The great.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, me say maybe so Obaa say the Ben of course our hospital no. Sir, a Sunshine Hospital. Ne date be ya.
Ne ko kasawia. I say what you say you see kasadia. Opa kire say of course Sunshine Hospital na papa nka so ontimi wura MRI no mu no. Enu nti omodi ne ba afie no. Ade kyenye na omote say papa na wu.
Nti na me bisa date no. Na because almost 26. Nti ka me the date ne ahwe how many days are you feel because back on junior doctor ne can say body no ne looking like body ada ho a check
ada ho for some time yeah
it's na me bisa no
empanimfo muni so oprega o chenyi fie woniema one oye paintings two or 2000 chef fro ye no kumasio enyakra oye paintings o sanye ma ofio kitchen tiles ye clean ye paint kitchen ye paint bedrooms ye nyama nyina fufu ofio. So the evidence has been buried, cleared. This is a autopsy no. Na se bibi wo mu a. Se bibi ni mukura na bruises no ayede no nyae. So what you say? Se Abusua pediatry autopsy na de na ma again they hide evidence is say. Okay. Imagine say emoja bi ene team eti ene so on no pampa se forensic for do fi on ma o ebeja bibi.
Okay.
But o painted as was a bibia. O paintia everything is gone. Ghana is not safe. Ghana yempano kre.
Aba we you the fool.
Che? Yabon pay. Began say the case because gidi investigation because very fast. Yahwe niemam enti mesra mo Ghana for autopsy line ni Ghana number one scan beko screenshot target na so because it can be bano and my wonder me who say ye the doctor ni be free Germany aba Ghana now abaye autopsy no e Ghana ho and now say we will fluid the body so onko the chrome no onko ye autopsy no family back and the air will be first in history. Our Ghana, the body etukwan as our body na Ghana ababesi. That's our achievement. The illegal wives. And I'm appealing to the public. Some mumwa na yehwe ye legend ba akopeno edi ne ku enipa dodo sai ena saa de we ebiato na yanhwem. Time to act is now. say ya de ade ya ye say ye ni ya e bet me a charity organization for that purpose ya ebe boa ye nya Ghanaians ebe timi aboa we Ghanaians timpa machao omu teki mimun say because papa na ka say me so me di 16 bi no se bibi ya na obi akra adwen maso say bibi ya
sa
I strongly believe some people are hiding things. And we need to do a proper auto and corrupt one. Yempe doctor or ye corrupt. It say ye be fly out here. Every Germany. And I say UK. Broni fita one Obaa or pay the juma wako. Now I transition ho. Obaa chere means a transition one or many baby I'm not taking samples. And I say I was say you moving to you Echo hospital baby kwaya. Team illegal wives yeka. Ain't you know? Say yes, ya dolumba dia. I was a mubwa. Say ya doda dia. I was a ya boa. Na ya find justice, Emmanuel. Because Enyamana echo DL funeral no no. Enyamwa. Enyamwa.
Ajiensem. No true ko bese yempantuma.
Obi kasabi.
Hey, Obaa. Me die obese asem we die ne ya nim se agrada jetie bia no. Obenya yonko abeka no because ono kwa na akoye celebrity akwa baby oshi na se suswampa se abusua pani ahwenya mianim na sebi owi asansa beka se mintimi ntome nsono anko fatentenhuro emhyemu dia na ne sa wo wemu a na se yenim bon do abusua pani so kora wadi no abusua and se ye kase justice a enye sebi stafrache bia ye bone na wo kata
Kado tafrache
Hey, Obaa. The great Kowanima. What a vim so.
sebi tafrache
Only a councillor you one.
tafrache say
hey Obaa emo remo set some pass say you fund say impokra no nipa no onim di oyeye no massa administration no na imponipa na free ma sabi emranya na duma ni pleading for pardon for that etimisi was that kind of so ubehwehwemu na obehunu say sabi nipa no adia esi ye no onim hu nim de na inform so aye den aba no ewo hawa account anase obema ono so ne side of story
how papa e just come kre
na susuampa se ebusia pani etimi no makoye kanana anwu sta asamwe die sie nie na sabi wantimi anka nche omo se radio sie die gisa ye mamra eye na dwuma na yesra mra ne se eye no kwesa aba ne sa na mmom bia bi na ekoto chima na ma ne ba ne sa na papa so dia na ne abusua panyin wo pa kire se oprega no ni pefe se di oye no ni susanso di ebesie nie se abusua panyin atimi aye sa dia e wo se abusua panyin esi e no te no wa mansan tenta so but e wo so no kra ne sanso toto na no ho
yeah
what's me a bit ras some the system no one near trim na all katabone so
enya o wan say oja again of you
me so
am again hide evidence
me see me ya sure say some me kura bushia penny me again ya futuo say ra sisafia nioma say bushia penny to me be ya na watch na fa subum bai ma enne bushia penny so waboka de a nani obetimi e de sapa no ato ababa wani tim se ye de ye ka de bia ne ye ka no ha se de tie bia no investigation ba na investigators confie ho a wo mu benya wo mo bibia wo mo pe into wo mo so hunu se e wo so mo hwehwe wo mo ne ma ban sa akwa mo madwum de ti na ama sa amre mo sister fie ho ne ma e no so prega be ka se na minnim se wo de so ga ya no na minnim. Enti ano so we catch the investigators no say ano so wonnim and what to work and now enti fie ho hey enti sisi wono made there baby am from timodi o mutimod hey enti that is some nana nwi wo mu benyina babu sam say den ekum ye papa na wo ma beti sa nioma ye ekoso ahe ya mbeka se de ayi na kire wo mo ma wudifo susuan pa sa prega se na wusi stu na watwidai daddy wa hamio na wo be mini your friends a picture frame atu ye mu bia what to so no what bombo so
crocodile
na wodi ade na ma no na say de mu ye no ofie ho ama papa no ho abeba your friends akama no ama papa no ho agina no de de no call ye no na wodi sa papa no beku no trasa te se wakoyi ayi fish yum na wodi na beto nkonkon so na wanya nsuanom no wa wuwo bi se sa ni obi di sheku no ana se sa na obi di she sa kwa no so ye ne fa so na sabi wo mansia na wo na legendary e bi ya papa ndie e bi nya papa ne die no so mo nyina ba kokora ko kachim te say akwai wodi papa ya fa so wo beta ho kwa abran kwale na nka wo do mo ye den e ba be pre dabre dey
more fire
dey I see akwai amodi DL afa so ya no ba makama no atom ta wo baka yi ena obi de ne efa sa akwan no so a itinanka obese de mo ye free ho ya mo sike abakofa new one mo be update obese juju olele mba no mo be update juju no fi on iti ka beta kwa ayo wani ase campaign asa de atan ho se oba akro no anase se abusu akro no o mo fa sa akwan so Ghana police Ghana investigators president mo fa mo wonyimo na ye papa twa akwafo idie ye say dia na ne de ya fa fikire ho ye kra de atwa ye ma ya daka ni ya bobo ye sa de front ma ni ya bo amana ni de yegum na momo de ye mbanya executives ya bi no mbanya state barriers me pa mo chewo mo dron ho sese ye mo na to mo a nti mo pre se yenka bi mamma mu ana na bi ka mabusua eya sa nneoma na ya mo consider na nya kasa tenten na ye obia Ghana mpanimfo memma mo Ghana magidin ahemfo amode amasori amosem de magi contract enu nti ye be say mo reputation mo fa mo hunyina papa yi semu minim so matete bi mateno wo masom minim se mateno wo masom no ma won se nyoma bi wo ho a ankoni ye wo papa ne wo ma obi katacho fa mo hunyina papa nse samo ena sa owo ya we eto mo a enti na nka mo be pre se yenkwaje contract na bontensofo na abusia pani bi na oba na enam no so ma ne bai na enti justice ene ne nya adwuma ma emme bi ne memme bi awudifo nya samse mu no dai adai as dia aye di o ma Ghana pembia skani bi ye di ne fa ensem hunu bi so a ye krekre mu a de hia ne se ye kremti amma ye ne eti akwantuo mo wo ma ti Ghana ye nyi Ghana apolifo ni ye nyi Ghana mre ni every sa de no nam soma wo ma di no kura kakra na ewo mu no ye hunu wo mpo ne yakase we di adwuma we di dai mo ma Ghana wo ba ye ne fenchima bibie no na so do na tu kwai ba akwantuo this year na ba ye ni ejina ha no nya ye se ye nyi Ghana wo mo be the pathology se ho no ye nyi ni na so ye nim sa no kwafo wo e bi ye adwuma kwa mo mpese o mo peketa ase hye de e bi no ye o mo adwuma fenchim because of say ye adwuma de o makoma so o mo share da course ko kwade ho abodin ben na so so pa say it the security man na wo fie ho wo he police na wo fie ho wo he drivers na wo fie wo he kwa na wo fie wo no wo he ba sankrofo nya na mo wo he sankrofo na mo wo fie ho no wo mo wo he ense fie wa na mo tie no ne ye wo papa me ye sure so obewo security man e wo post e door post wo no abi so no no agi ahoho anansa ohwe wo mo ba guest e wure fie ho na no mo wo twins na wo fie ho mo wo he susuan pa se papa o de to payroll so tria muka no wa ma nya yam hihye anasa mo sense se na kura da wo sam koye adwuma na na ma te papa na nkanti mo nya yam hihye ana mo so ya pepa mo tani ya tata obi a odi ahometie adwane yi hey na magana ekoi ahefa eno my Ghana ekoi nti enkosi da ben na ebe pasa Ghana de oh asen we see ye ebusuafo amotwi na so emra